have a crf250m. So I have the L wheels at home for trail riding and going on adventures. I also have my commuting wheels, which are the 17 rear, which was originally a supermoto, and I had a 19 front built. So the 19 front has an Anarchy World on it, and that must have done, I don't know, it's been on there years, 10,000 miles, something like that. Still got loads of life in it. I've had a couple of rears. This one doesn't have much left in it. I think that's the D606, I think. Yep, probably. So generally, as you would expect, the front is more planted on the road and doesn't get led by the imperfections in the road as easily. Just a lot nicer commute, and is capable of trails, as you can see. So most of these bikes are at an age now where the wheels, you're gonna have to rebuild them. So I propose that this is the perfect setup, I say. I've not seen another CRF 250 with this setup.